Hello, welcome to this How Do I video, Dynamics CRM integration in Dynamics NAV. In this video I will show you the default setup primarily in Dynamics NAV. So we will look at the default setup, we will look at the job queues, we look at the integration table mappings, and we look at ways to troubleshoot this. So let's immediately go to the demo. Let's first go to the CRM connection page. I'm using Dynamics CRM Online. There is still this version 7.1 and we need to wait for the CRM team to update that to 7.2, which means that advanced integration is not enabled because it needs 7.2, and all those other settings I would refer you to the previous video that I created. So let's go to the job queues. As you can see, this is standard NAV. It shows you just the normal job queues. There's one set to on hold. That's on purpose for a small demonstration of troubleshooting. If you look at one of those cards, then you can see this is something that you can modify. 13 minutes in between runs, etc., etc. So this is normal NAV. Show error, restart, log entry, set on hold, etc., etc. Nothing special here. So go to the integration table mappings. As you can see, there are these entities. You can perform a filtering. Everything is can be customized. The sort order, the filtering, add filters, etc., etc. New here is this field. This is sync only coupled records. So if you want to make sure that you only synchronize the records that you want, you can enable this one and say that if you create a contact and if you don't want to synchronize that to CRM, then you can enable this checkbox. And if you don't couple that newly created contact, then that newly created contact will not synchronize to CRM. So that's a feature, an option. You can use that to your own needs. There's also the option, this is filtered on contact. If you go there, and you can see that this is only for the contacts, and you can see I already synchronized 40 once and 40 unchanged and 1 changed, and etc. and nothing changed there. So you can delete entries, delete all entries, delete older than 7 days. This is just a standard. You have seen this before. Now let's go back to further demoing. This is the web client. I did not yet discuss that before, but if you go to CRM, for instance, and create a new, let's say, customer account, and then you can view the results directly in Dynamics NAV. That's what this is all about, and it retrieves that URL from what you configured there. Now let's go to the account statistics. As you can see here, you can go to the job queue, and there is the CRM statistics jobs. Now, how does that work? For instance, if you go to customers, for instance, let's go there to the customers. You will see, yeah, I was already there. Yeah, you'll see that there is a dynamic CRM statistics. There are ways to update that. Click Pilates AG, for example. Then you go to navigate, and there's update account statistics. At the moment, there is 0. So let's go to Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Go to, for example, opportunities. Yeah, I think there's an opportunity for one of those contacts, for one of those accounts. So go to CRM. We just entered the opportunity in CRM. Let's do some basics. So I just click there. Alex Nyberg is the first one. Art field. Immediate. €15. Individual, mark completed. This is demo. Okay, I saved that. And if I go back to CRM, add it to Dynamics NAV. Then I just refresh it and it will be synced. This is demo. And if I go to the customer, this was which one it was? This was Artfield. Let's search for Afrifield. I think that's one. Yeah. Okay. So if I go there, then you see that there are 3 opportunities created. This is demo. So that's how that works. The last things that I would like to discuss is the troubleshooting. So for this, I also looked at the customers. I created one Lassen company, for instance. So I also created a currency which is called 123. As you can imagine, this is not a valid one, and that's why I set the job queue not to synchronize the currencies. So this does exist in Dynamics, but it doesn't exist in Dynamics CRM because I didn't synchronize it, and I'm also not sure if it allows 123. But for the sake of this demo, that's okay. So let's see if we can synchronize it. We already coupled, so that's fine, and we try to synchronize, and that should give you, if you say get data update from Microsoft Dynamics, it will probably get this euro back, but send data to the updates Dynamics CRM and it will fail because of this error. So if you go to CRM connection, connection setup, and you go to the integration table mappings, and you go to the customer and go there, then you should see an error. And it will say cannot find the currency with the value 123 in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. View the source where it goes wrong. It's 123. That is not good, right? So we need to edit that. Make sure that it is something that does exist in CRM. I know the euro does exist. If you go to navigate and say I would like to synchronize, send data update to Dynamics CRM, okay, and it will give you a successful error, successful message. And if we go to CRM, it probably never got this 123 because it never hits the CRM. So if you go to accounts and search for Lassen, the Lassen company, it will give you this where is it? Details. Euro. There you go. That's the one. I was just looking for that. This the euro. So it probably never got this far to 123 because it never hit Dynamics CRM because it was invalid. But that's how the troubleshooting works. You can now look at the error messages directly from Dynamics NAV, which is great, of course. Let's go back to these to the slides. So what did we cover in this video? We covered the default setup. We covered the job queues, we looked at integration table mappings, and we did some basic troubleshooting, just to show you how it works. If you need more information, you can look at the NAV Get Ready page. I would like to thank you for your interest and have a great day. Bye.